Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm doing a beauty related video after so long, and no, it is not any makeup tutorial or anything. It would be my top 5 makeup as well as skincare products that I tried in 2020. I tried a lot of products and these are my top 5 and I would recommend this to you guys. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get on into the video. So yeah, let's start. And number 5 is this Faces Magnet Eyes mascara. I just purchased this I think 2 months before, and I'm really loving this mascara. I mean, this gives me volume as well as length, and this is such a good product. I think this just retails for I think 2.99. I will leave all the links in the description box. So yeah, I would really recommend this to you guys. I will just show you the wand. This is how the wand looks like. It's a very dense wand, which will give you a lot of volumes. So yeah, this comes in number 5. Number 4 is this sugar lipstick. This is the Smudge Me Not Lip Duo. This has a liquid lipstick and then a lip gloss too. I mean, this is such a good product. I'm wearing the gloss right now. I mean, this is so soft on the lips. I mean, the liquid side, this lipstick side is a bit drying on the lips, but if you top it off with this uh, gloss, I mean, it would look really beautiful. This is how the wand looks. Let me just show you guys. This is the wand. This is the wand of the gloss, and I'll just show you the wand of the lipstick too. I'm not wearing this lipstick, I'm wearing some other lipstick. And this is the wand of the lipstick, and this is in the shade Wine and Shine, and this I think retails for rupees 5.99. So this is a really good product. Number 3 has to be this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I absolutely love this product. I started using this product this month only, and I am in love with this product. I'm wearing this foundation right now, and this looks really good on the skin. I mean, and my shade is 128 Warm Nude. This is a very good product, and this is very affordable too. I think this is for rupees 2.99, and you get the bigger size of this one for I think rupees 500 or something. So yeah, this is a great deal, and I would recommend you guys to just hold on to this one. Number 2 are these Sugar Cosmetics Coal of Honor kajals. These are the kajals. These are, I mean, mind blowing. I have tried like a lot of kajals. I have tried Lakme, Maybelline, Nykaa. I have tried a lot of kajals, but this has to be my favorite because I'm wearing this kajal, this black kajal right now as my eyeshadow, and oh god, this is just amazing. Let me just show you guys the swatch. This is like so super black, and this is in the shade 01 Blackout. I absolutely love this one. This also comes in colors. That is the very great thing about this one. I'll just show you this color too. You see guys, this comes in two colors, and this one is 03 Aqua Lung. I absolutely love both the shades. These are absolutely amazing, and this retails for I think rupees 250. So this is a great deal. So yeah, I recommend this. Number 1 and the most favorite product that I have tried in 2020 is this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. So many people ask me why primer is important. It basically gives a very smooth, very long lasting base to your makeup, and you wear it before below your foundation, and your makeup is gonna glide on so smoothly. And I'm wearing it, and it looks really beautiful. This is also not so expensive. All of these are affordable products and under rupees 1000. These are really good, and I highly recommend this primer to you if you are looking for a really good affordable primer. I think this is for rupees 750 or something, and this is a very great deal. So yeah, let's move on to some skincare. So let's start with skincare, and number 5 is this Mama Earth Cocoa Body Lotion. First of all, I absolutely love it. The smell is so good. It's divine. The bold divine. I mean, it's just chocolate and coffee. I mean, the best combination ever. I absolutely love it. I'm going to show you the texture of this lotion. So this is the lotion, and this is the texture. It's really very smooth and very light. And yeah, this is not like other lotions which are very thick. This is like very soft, and this like melts into your skin. It just gives a very beautiful shine. I know, it smells divine. I absolutely love this. And this is like for rupees 399 you get 400 ml, so that's a really good deal, and I absolutely recommend this body lotion, especially for winter if you have really dry skin. Number 4 is face washes, and yeah, I absolutely love these face wash. Okay, this one is from Good Vibes Rose Hip Deep Cleansing Face Wash, and as you can see, I have like finished it completely. This doesn't come out, and I absolutely love this I'm saying foundation, this face wash. This is so good. अगर आपकी थोड़ी सी नॉर्मल टू ऑयली स्किन है तो आप ये वाला फाउंडेशन यूज़ कर सकते हो. फाउंडेशन क्यों बोल रही हूँ. हाँ, आप ये वाला फेस वॉश यूज़ कर सकते हो अगर आपकी थोड़ी सी नॉर्मल टू ऑयली स्किन है, बिकॉज दिस actually it removes the excess oil, and this just makes your skin very smooth. Just top it off with some moisturizer and you're good to go. I highly recommend this, and this is very affordable. This is like 120 ml you get for rupees 175. So yeah, I highly recommend this from Good Vibes. This is the Good Vibes Deep Cleansing Face Wash, Rose Hip Deep Cleansing Face Wash. Okay, so this another one is from Himalaya. This is the Himalaya All Clear Lemon Foaming Face Wash, and it removes excess oil. This is the, and it comes with this pump type thing. I started using it just now, and I have finished a little bit, and I'm seeing great results. I absolutely love this. I'm using this for I think 10 days, and yeah, I'm actually liking this for if you are having like normal to oily skin, or maybe even like a little bit of dry or combination skin. You can use this face wash. It removes the excess oil, but it actually makes your skin very smooth, and I absolutely love it. To use it on a daily basis, you get like 150 ml product for rupees 195. So this is a really great deal. Okay, so before we move on to number 3, if you guys like my makeup, I'm gonna leave a tutorial of this makeup on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there too. And yeah, number 3 has to be this Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. I just bought this big tub. I have just completed another tub of this one, and I absolutely love it for daily basis. This is like a very I'll just show you the texture. This is like very soft, very smooth texture. This just melts into the skin, and this is a moisturizer, so moisturizer has to be a bit thin because you have to apply it on your face, not on your body. And this smells really good. This, you get a lot of product. You get around, let me check, you get around 300 ml product for 349 rupees. So yeah, this is really affordable. And Nivea, they just have really amazing skincare products. So yeah, I actually recommend this. Number 2 has to be this Good Vibes Argan Facial Oil with Silver Leaves. So if you can see, I mean, there is nothing left. I finished like everything, and I absolutely love this. I'm currently using another face serum from Caffeine. I mean, it's like average, but when I use this for, I can actually see the results. So after I just finish that serum, I'm gonna jump to this serum again because I actually love this one. Good Vibes serums are really good. I have used one more before this. This is one with argan facial oil with silver leaves. I have used a marula oil and it controls oil. So yeah, I actually love this. This is like you get 30 ml of product for rupees 695. I mean, serums are a bit expensive, but this is like a really good product, and this really works good for dry as well as normal skin. This is for all skin types, so definitely check out this product. Number one has to be this VLCC Rose Water Toner. I got this from smitten.com for like a trial basis. I got this, and this is just how much? This is just rupees 45 for 30 ml product, and I just bought it for a trial basis. I just want to see how it is, and oh my god, I love the results. I never thought that VLCC products are this good. I have actually never used them, and I have not heard a lot about those products, but this rose water toner is really amazing. You can use it as your toner for daily basis. I use it morning and evening, and also before I apply my makeup I use this, and this makes my makeup so glowy. I absolutely love this product. You can check this out. Yeah, those were my top 5 makeup as well as skincare products that I tried in 2020. So what were yours? Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, if you're new here, hi, I'm Anamol. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. Stay tuned, stay safe. Bye bye.